Tesla's new tiny house for sustainable living. Ever dreamt of being successful, driving your dream car, living a lavish lifestyle, and owning a luxurious yacht and house? These are some of the perks that seem to come with being one of the richest people in the world. And unfortunately for most wealth dreamers, this is a life opposite to that which Elon Musk enjoys. Innovation has made Musk make a statement to the wealthy through Tesla's new tiny house for sustainable living. Sit back, relax, and we'll help you understand how. But before we start this video, please do like this video and subscribe to our channel. Now you would think that Elon Musk, who has held the spot of being the richest person in the world for several months, would be living in the most lavish house in the world. Money can get you anything, right? At least material stuff, but this is not how Elon Musk has set up his life. He has been reported to be living in a house which he is renting from SpaceX. Yes, the multi-billionaire is renting a home, and it costs less than a Tesla. This has caused curiosity as to why he would choose this kind of lifestyle. Due to his obsession with traveling to Mars, many had speculated that Musk is not looking for a permanent home on Earth, as he has no plan on coming back to Earth once he takes the trip to Mars. This was further emphasized by an observation in his speeches that he rarely, if ever, spoke about coming back from Mars. Instead, he touched on dying in Mars. With all the confusion around his decision not to own any property, his behavior made sense when it was announced that Tesla is planning on designing tiny houses for sustainable living. They are meant to be affordable, movable, and convenient for both people and the planet. Now, this is not to say that he hasn't owned a luxurious home or homes. To be more specific, it's clear that there has been change towards his outlook on life and lifestyle. He announced that he would sell his houses and later on confirmed in a tweet that he has sold all his properties except one, which was a house that he is renting out for functions. He has taken refuge in a $50,000 home in Boca Chica, which belongs to SpaceX. This has opened up talks about Tesla's new tiny house for sustainable living. And true to his reputation, Musk never ceases to disappoint when it comes to innovative ideas that have a practical solution for human life. A house project from him or his company would need to hold up to these expectations. Now let's take a look at this tiny house project. Starting off the year on a good note, Elon Musk saw his wealth growing more than 500% and Tesla reaching new heights past the $1 trillion mark. He has had interest in investing in this house project, and it seems that he has a team of designers and architects to help him see this project come to life. A construction startup called Boxable has designed small homes which are the size of a studio. They are simply 400 square foot. Elon Musk has been living in this box house for a while now. Do you think he has been doing so in order to assess whether the box housing project is sustainable or not? You can share your thoughts in the comments section below. What's something worth speaking about when it comes to this house is the fact that each home only starts selling for $50,000. Yes, you heard that right. You could soon be able to own a house that costs less than your car. Let that sink in a little. This will be disruptive to the housing market, which has seen people complain about the high price of owning a home over the years. Often having to spend over 20 years paying for your home in North America, the houses, if accepted by the general society, will be an escape from the trickly housing system and financing which people have become accustomed to. This includes places in North America where the standard of living has surpassed the salaries and affordability of the people who live in those cities. Take a look at Toronto, New York, Vancouver, Los Angeles. The list goes on. However, there would be more costs for the buyer of these tiny homes since the price of the home does not include the landscaping permits or utility costs. The homes are portable, so they can be placed anywhere you wish, so long as you have the permission or own the land in which your house will be placed. The house can literally be transported from its factory to where you want it to be using a Tesla. Whether these tiny houses look beautiful or not, that might be something that would fall into your own preference. The idea is what is being sold more than the decor and designing of both the interior and the outer body of the home. It goes without saying that they are built to last for long, using materials that make this possible. But I will get to that later on the video, so keep watching till the end of this video. One thing worth noting though is that Boxable did release a statement mentioning that they had built a box house for a high-profile individual living in Boca Chica. They, however, could not reveal who the person was as this was top secret. I guess you are now in on the secret since we all know that this top secret client is Elon Musk. There, I said it. Why would we keep a secret from our faithful followers? Show us love by liking this video. This re-emphasizes the belief that Musk's choice of being homeless and staying in this home is simply to experience the house before fully being invested in it. This is similar to how he joined Tesla and invested much of his wealth in. The houses are not built on site, but in a factory. This allows them to be built in materials and designs that allow them to be folded and shipped as any other product you would buy on Amazon. Did I say Amazon? Considering Elon Musk's relationship with Bezos, we will rewind this video and erase that part. There we go. Now moving on, you will then be able to see what the inside of the home looks like once it has been delivered and unfolded. The materials used to build this home include steel, concrete, and expanded polystyrene foam, meaning that the house will last much longer than expected for a box kind of house. Inside information has it that the decision on the materials used for the home is something that the founder of Boxable has to study for years, choosing each piece as something to keep the house intact for many years without much degradation. The roof is made out of laminated panels, just as the floor of the home. If this was not done this way, then the home would not have been allowed to be transported on highways. So you can see that the thought on material was beyond the house itself, but the environment as well. When you make an order, the home comes with everything pre-installed. This includes plumbing, electricity, and air conditioning. So you only get to unpack the house on site and simply plug in all the cabling on the ground. The price for the house includes all this, making it desirable for those who love saving their money even when making purchases. The house is customizable and can be extended over time. With a decently high ceiling and large windows, it's built for comfort despite its size. It has a kitchen with a refrigerator, a sink, and a dishwasher. It also has a dining area. More noteworthy is the fact that it has a low carbon footprint, allowing you to place your home anywhere you wish. This might also be the reason that Elon Musk is choosing this way of life. It is also said that the house will have features allowing it to save as much energy as possible. Musk is setting a good example for other billionaires living luxurious lives. This is not to say that they should abandon their lifestyles and follow Musk, but a statement to say that they could use their wealth to help improve life for other people, or support companies and organizations that do this too. Would you get this tiny house yourself? If you would, then let us know in the comments section below where you would choose to live with the Boxable house. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.